And we have 5 core values in the company. And we went through I think, a really interesting exercise, one not too dissimilar from what Atlassian did when developing these values, which is we had kind of the founders and the executive team work through what they believe to be the important values of the company. And separately, and completely separately, in isolation, we had a self-nominated group of employees do the same exercise. And then we got together and we saw the Venn diagram overlap. And the good news is it was, fairly well overlapped. And then we jointly crafted the top 5 values and shared them with the company for feedback. The company embraced them, and now they're a core part of who we are. We have a brand book that we give to every new employee. The values are on the walls. We reinforce them at every single all hands, which is incredibly important. We just had our all company offsite where we gave out our values awards. And I'll tell you what those values are. Our first value is make mom proud, which very much talks to how we treat each other. It's incredibly important. It's kind of the no assholes rule at Campaign Monitor. So that is our number 1 value. Our number 2 value is if our customers kick ass, we will too. It's to remind us that the reason we're all here is to help the companies that we work with grow. And that's a big part of what got me excited about, joining Campaign Monitor. The third value is care about why. So you have to deeply understand why you're doing it, because if you understand the why, you can understand the best path to kind of a great outcome and the best solution to get to that resolution. So the fourth value is be the change you want to see. That's an incredibly important one. Even if we've done things in a certain way, we always want to challenge how we've done those things. And we want that challenge to come from every single employee who can help us figure out what is the new, different, smarter way to be able to do something. And so they need to be the ones that kind of have that ownership and surface it so that we can make that change. And then finally, and this is an incredibly important value, do less but do it best. This is the idea that we can't do everything. We have to ruthlessly prioritize, and then the things that we choose to do, we have to do incredibly well. And so those are the core kind of values.